Okay, I would like to get your attention here. When you try to create a plan in your Microsoft Planner, you may come across this error message. All right. That error message will look something like this. Sorry, something went wrong creating the plan. Please try again. Okay. As a matter of fact, all you need to do is really just try again. All right. Yeah, I mean, for unknown reason, why you can't, sometimes you have this error, why you can't create a plan. But later on, when you come back, yeah, you can create it. Okay, just give it some time. Okay. Now, let us look at the second method, how we can create a plan using Microsoft Planner. But as I mentioned earlier on, this method of creating this method of creating plan in our Microsoft Teams, it is actually cannot be done by student because student does not have the ownership of the group or the teams in the Microsoft Teams for a specific classroom. So, but I show this second method because it's how I create Microsoft Planner tabs for each group in our classroom on Teams. So if you go to our Teams classroom, okay, on the top menu, you will see 0 tabs, right? You will see 0 tabs. At the very right hand, okay, at the very right hand side, you will see an icon, plus icon. You just click on it, you will pop up with a search window. This is a search window for searching apps. You just type in the keyword planner, then you will see the planner icon appear. Just click on it, and then that planner tab will be added to your or be added to our classroom top menu. All right. So we just click on, or what I did is that I just click on this planner tab, and then I will see this interface. All right. And it has 2 options: create a new plan or add an existing plan. So what we are going to do is, or what I did is that I create new plan. When I click on create a new plan, I will see similar interface. Okay, letting me to select the templates that I want for my plan. Basic, simple plan, project management, software development, business plan, and so on. And for our case, we are going to select project management template to serve as a template for our project management plan. Right, so we have seen this interface before, right? Select template, and here it will give us, a basic idea. Okay, if we select this template, what will be the tabs that we can see on top of that template? Okay, you will have for example, we have a list or grid, board, chart, schedule, view. All right, yeah. So without further ado, we can just simply use the template, right? And then when we click use the template, similarly, we will be asking to give a name for our plan. And then this plan is going to be associated with which group. After you have selected, and just click on create. Yeah. And then sometimes we will have a similar error message saying that something went wrong creating a plan. Please try again. Yes. Just wait for a while and then try again. And as I mentioned, okay, in Microsoft Teams, because students cannot create the plan, Microsoft Planner plan in the Microsoft Teams. So I've already created plans for each of the group in each of the classes. All right, this is for class A, class B. Now, let us take an example of a plan in class A, group 2. For the plan that I've already created for you, you will see the plan looks, you will see your plan will look something like this. All right, when you click on the board, you will see there will be basically 5 buckets. And as I mentioned, each of these 5 buckets, okay, name, initiating, planning, executing, monitoring, controlling, and closing respectively. These buckets name correspond to the project management process groups. All right. So what I want you to do is that delete, okay? Delete the unnecessary buckets. Delete all. And then change it to be to consist of 3 buckets: name, to do, in progress, and done. All right. Something like this.